Hello and welcome to Polystitch English channel. Here I show DIYs on how to create wonderful household items from fabric scraps. I have an unexpected joy today. A lady from the sewing workshop collected scraps and cut remnants for me, since she knows I'm a recycle DIY blogger. And now I'm figuring out what to do with all this wealth. Also, I have ordered some new clothes for myself and decluttered my closet, so I have even more scraps. I didn't know what to make of them at first, but I began with cutting out strips 10 centimeters wide. By the way, I wonder how many of us have our rugs or other home goods handmade. Let me know in the comments. I found a strip of tulle 8 centimeters wide in those scraps. This will be the basis for stitching the colored stripes. I looked through the colored fabrics and separated them in two piles. So I left the large pieces for other projects and collected the narrow sections separately and trimmed them. I begin to sew colored patches on strips of auxiliary fabric. We save threads and time. We work with several blanks at once. After all the colored pieces have been sewn, we cut and align the blanks from the wrong side, focusing on the edge. Now let's start assembling. Sew together the black and the colored parts. We make backtacks at the beginning and at the end of each line. We do not break the threads. After we sewed one pair of strips, we sew the next. Then we unfold these strips, iron them, and remove the seam. We sew the whole garland at once. Let's start assembling the rug. I took a whole piece of fabric as a base. The fewer seams there are, the stronger the product will be. We lay a colored patchwork part on it face to face. Align the edges and close it with a padding polyester on top. We pin it with needles. It remains only to lay a stitch along the edge, leaving a small hole for turning out. After the workpiece has been stitched, we cut the corners and turn everything out. An open hole can be sewn manually or with a sewing machine. We carefully tighten and straighten all the edges. The resultant rug must be quilted. We will use special quilting pins. We step all the layers with them, and you can sew on the sewing machine. You know, before cleaning, everything was lying around in its place, but now everything is neatly folded. And this is what my finished rug looks like. I sewed a stitch along the edge of the black stripes. The size turned out to be 55 centimeters by 93 centimeters. And look at this wonderful piece I got! It fits very well in our bathroom. It is so pretty and smart. I even feel sorry for throwing it on the floor. I hope you've liked the DIY and enjoy creating a piece in this technique for your family. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, like and comment this video, and see you in the next episode.